Chinese drones could be stealing sensitive American information, but federal security agencies continue to buy and use them despite that risk. Newsmax correspondent Christina Thompson met with one American drone surveillance company working to protect the United States from potential data hackers. Here's that.
Federal law enforcement agencies like the Secret Service and the FBI are buying up drones and drone detection equipment from the Chinese company DJI. Now, this is despite the Pentagon warning of a national security threat. The Department of Homeland Security has stated with, quote, moderate confidence that DJI was providing U.S. critical infrastructure and law enforcement data to the Chinese government.
They could use the cameras for, long range. The cameras are unbelievable, so they could steal information visually. So you could land something on the rooftop of a building, trick people into connecting to it, and then your corporate network is compromised.
The concern, according to American drone detection company AeroDefense, is that even if these Chinese drones pass U.S. security scans pre-installation, run on separate networks, or sit behind well-managed firewalls, that future software updates could allow a malicious actor, especially the one who wrote the software, to access critical information and systems.
Whoever wrote the software knows that they left backdoors for themselves to get in.
It's why the company started in the first place, to provide American schools, companies, and even military bases with security by detecting both the drones and the pilot.
Hi, we're seeing a drone and a controller in your area. The controller is about 30 meters west of your building right now, in the parking lot.
Republican lawmakers pushed for the American Security Drone Act, which would have banned the purchase and use of Chinese DJI drones and equipment for federal agencies, giving secure American companies an edge on our own soil. But the legislation was unsuccessful, partly because Chinese-made drones are so cheap. DJI spent millions in lobbying efforts, including hiring 2 lobbying firms to persuade Congress not to back it. The U.S. sends roughly $125 billion in aerospace components and AI technology exports to China yearly, with less than 0.5% requiring a license.
It's a slippery slope when you start talking about reading private signals for all our government agencies to support American companies when they can.
AeroDefense has proprietary technology protected by patents. Business is good, but could be even better. They say its product is superior. And what's more, made in America. Reporting in New Jersey, I'm Christina Thompson for Newsmax.